We have in Jamaica a central bank that is well respected, and only a few years ago that central bank became independent. Independent in the sense that there's no political interference in monetary policies. So if the BOJ, if its Monetary Policy Committee decides, based on all the research that they have, that interest rates should be at a certain level, then that is what it is, and that decision is independent of the political directorate. Obviously, the Bank of Jamaica is still within Jamaica, and it's still in the government's portfolio of entities. And so operationally, we speak about things. We have to. I know that on the minds of many of you in your various companies is the issue of the Twin Peaks, where all entities will be regulated by the BOJ, regardless of whether you're a broker or a bank. And then those same entities will be regulated by FSC, but for market conduct reasons. I know that that is new. It requires conversations, consultation, to help persons to understand, to ask questions about it, and so on. I know when I look at the list of legislation for the Bank of Jamaica, we do have a long list of things to be done, and it's all done in the interest of shoring up our financial sector, making it stronger, making it more resilient. We will see expansion and growth, and it will become more transparent as we move along. I call on you as well to continue to advocate, bring more persons into the society, show them the value of being a CFA, and go out and do the work.
And as professionals in the investment community, we are standard bearers. We are the ones entrusted with leading our country towards economic prosperity and global recognition. Our role is critical, and we expect to continue shaping a bright future for Jamaica.